Hello. Reconify is an analytics platform for analyzing and optimizing generative AI. One of the things that I'd like to show you today is how you can set up guardrail alerts to be notified of any potential prompts or responses that may be concerning to you. One way to do that is to take an existing response and set the alert on that. So here I'm going to view this particular response, see some similar responses to it. This is just a joke, a cat joke, and it can even compare the different types of similar responses and what the prompts were. But say we want to create a guardrail around this. So all I have to do is say create guardrail, I give it a name, and I can set the similarity threshold. So how similar does a new message have to be to this one based on the semantic similarity? So just because it's a demo, I'm going to set this quite broad. And I want to send this notification to my email, but I can have it go to a webhook as well. We're setting the status to active. So this creates the guardrail here. So now what I'm going to do is I have just a very simple chatbot experience here, or sample using OpenAI chat, where I ask to tell a joke about cats. So let's run that program and see if it comes up with a similar joke to the cheetah one. So you can see here, why did cats play poker in the wild? Because they're always afraid of cheetahs. So we can see if that generated a response via my email. And I do have it here. It just popped in, so I'll show you. There's the alert. So this is the alert coming through via email. So you can see what the alert criteria was, and then what the response was that came through that matched that criteria. And it was a pretty close match. And if I like, or if you like, you can click to dive into that interaction and see it. So I just opened it up here, and we dive right into the interaction itself. So we can get some more information about it. What was the model used, the tokens used. We can even go into a full transcript around this. And then if we'd like to see all of our guardrails, we can get a report of those here and manage them. So I can see the different guardrails that have been triggered in the past, the score, and just keep track of all of those as well. So this is just a quick way to create guardrails based on the semantic similarity instead of having to come up with any kind of regular expression matching. It's based on the semantic similarity of that response that came through. So we're just going to look here for any future responses that are similar enough to this with that similarity threshold, and it's going to send the email. And that's how you set up guardrails on Reconify. Thank you.